So to fix your trouser pockets, these are what you need. After you cut your trouser, this is our trouser here. We need our scissors. We need the chalk. We need fusing. This is called fusing. It's a stay. Some people call it a fuse, a stay, or a stiff. And right here, our ruler. So let's go straight to it. I have to put this thing right here, and we need our iron. Don't forget that. So I'm gonna put this right here, very close here, and this is our pocketing. So all I'm gonna have to do now is to fold it over and measure the wideness of my pocket. So universal wideness of pocket is always 6.5, depending on how wide you want your pocket to be. But universal is 6.5, and the length is 13 inches. So I'll have to mark the length here, mark it here. Then I have to cut. So to get the shape of the pocket, all you have to do right now is to bend this over to give you the shape of a pocket, and you have to cut it out. So right now we have our pocket, which is 6.5 by 13 inches. So to fix our trouser pockets now, all you need is the trouser. After the weave, after you weave all the edges right there, can you see that? Then you turn it over. This is the front and this is the back. That's when you start using your stiff right here. And all you have to do is just to measure your 8 inches. You measure 8 inches for the stiff to overlap a little bit. Then you iron. You cut this out. Flip it over again. Check the length around the ear. Make sure they are the same. And iron these two. Cut this out too. One thing I always do is I trim this edge, lift it up a little bit and trim it. Do the same thing here. And trim it. Iron it again. Iron this again. So right here, All you have to do is simple. Measure your 7 inches, which is the pocket square, and notch it right. Make a small notch around here. Then you fold it. Inch right here. I'm going to bend 1.5 inch. Okay, we are going to bend 1 3/4. So just iron it down. So you iron this. I'm gonna cut this over. Well, instead of here. So you do the same to the other layer at the back. Just fold it. Make sure it's of the same size. Make sure it's of the same size. Then you iron this down too. So right here, our trouser and what we need is done already. So all we now have to do is to fix the trouser. So we go straight to the machine now and right now. So right here, we have our pocket, our trouser, our pocketing, and our pocket cover with the scissors. So quickly, this is all we have to do. Just take your pocketing and your pocketing cover, put it right here. Can you see that? Just like this over your pocketing. Then stitch it over. You sew it here too. You do the same with this, but this will be at the other side. Don't forget to follow your weave line. You move this to the other side of the pocketing, then you stitch it again. Now we have it look like this. Can you see that? This is here and this is here. They are not facing each other. Can you see that? Here and here. So now all we have to do is to fix it with the trouser. So what you have to So all you have to do here is just to fold this over. Make sure this is facing the machine. This is facing the board, and place your trouser over it like this. So we're going to use this place. You're going to sew at this side, not here, at this side. We're going to sew here. We are not going to go over the bending. We're going to sew here. So just place this right here. Place this right here over the trouser. Right here. And just sew at the back of the bending. And so make sure your hand is straight. Make sure your hand is straight. So can you see it? We sew at the back of this trouser here. Can you see it? Sew at the back of the bending. So right now, all you have to do is just to open this up. After you're sewing, open this up and stitch this to the pocketing. Hope you see that you open it into two different ways and you stitch this to the pocketing. Sew this down. So right now, this is what you might not want to miss. Right here is what we're going to stitch down. Make sure your hand is very straight because this is the beauty of a trouser. The pocket stitch is the beauty of a trouser. Make sure your hand is very straight and just sew straight down. This is mostly not more than a quarter inch. Mostly no more than a quarter inch. Quarter inch around here, something like this. Then you sew it straight down. Sew it straight down to your notch. Then you stitch. So I want you to look at this very well. Can you see that? Can you see that? So right now, all you have to do is just to flip this over like this, and you stitch the pocketing, the underneath of the pocketing. So right here, you just bend a little bit, then you stitch it to the ground. So at this edge, after your stitching, you notch it a little bit here. Then you trim this place. Right now, I think I over notched this, so I'm gonna stitch it again. I'm gonna have to stitch there again because I over notched it. So after that, all you have to do right now is to put your hand inside the pocket, then you turn it over. Use your scissors to pinpoint this part so that it will come out very well. And right now, pocket is almost done. So this is what we have right now. This is what we have so far. Can you see that? So all you have to do is just to notch this plate, take it to the machine, and stitch here. By the way, there is tendency this might happen. It's not a problem. This overlapping here, it's not a problem. So you remember when folding this place, we fold it 1¾ inch. So right now all we have to do is just to replace the 1¾ back to where it is supposed to be. So you get back your 1¾ that is it. Get back your 1¾ then you stitch it here. Stitch it like that. There is tendency this might happen, so it's not a problem. All you have to do is just to trim it out. So far so good. We have this. Our pocket is set. So that is it on how to fix a pocket. You just have to apply this same process to the other side of the pocket, which is the right hand pocket, and that is it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscriber button. The next video I'll be uploading is how to fix a trouser zip, how to fix a zip around here, a zipper, how to make it, and how to complete a full trouser. And on my next coming video, I want to show you the simplest way to cut a perfect suit, a corporate suit. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching this, and click the subscriber button, like it, make a comment, and tell me anything. If you want anything else, just drop it right there. I'll see you next time.